students, welcome to Vidya Mirat. This video is made for class 10 on chapter number 15 probability, and today we are going to do exercise 15.2. This exercise is an optional exercise, but I thought of sharing it with you. Question number 1. Two customers, Shyam and Ekta, are visiting a particular shop in the same week, Tuesday to Saturday. Each is likely to visit the shop on any day as on another day. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on the same day, consecutive days, and on different days? Now, since if we check the number of days, there are 5 ways like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So there are 5 options and there are 2 persons. So total number of outcomes, possible outcomes are 5 into 5, that is 25. Now when they are visiting on the same day means it should be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday. So there are favorable events only 5. So 5 upon 25 will be the probability, that is 1 upon 5. When the both visit on the consecutive day is if one is visiting on Tuesday, the other is visiting on Wednesday. If one is visiting on Wednesday, the other is visiting on Thursday, like this and so on till they reach on Wednesday and Tuesday option. So if we see, there are 8 favorable events in this case. So 8 upon 25 becomes the probability. Next, both visiting on different days. Now we have already found the one probability who when they were visiting on the same day. Same day probability was 1 upon 5. So for finding on different days, we will just simply do 1 minus 1 upon 5, that comes to 4 upon 5. A die is numbered in such a way that it shows the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. It is thrown 2 times and the total score in 2 throws is noted. Complete the following table which gives a few values of the total scores on the 2 throws. What is the probability that the total score is even, 6 or at least 6? Let us first make the table. I have added all and completed the table. If we look at the table, there are possible outcomes are 36. Total number of outcomes is 36. So, if you look, we need to find out even numbers. So, what are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 12. So, total numbers are 18 for the even numbers. Second case is we want to find out where it is 6. So, there are only 4 options are there, 6, 6 and 6, so 4 possibilities. And there is a last one where the sum is at least 6. The sum is at least 6 means till 6 we will consider, that is we will consider 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, total favorable outcomes of this is 15. That means we will ignore the terms 7, 8, 9 and 12. Now using this information we can easily find out the probability. So probability of finding out the even numbers are 18 upon 36, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Probability when the sum is 6, so there were only 4 options, there are 4 6's there, so 4 upon 36, so your answer is 1 upon 9. And last, when your sum is at least 6, we found that there are 16 favorable events for that. So 15 upon 36, which can be written as 5 upon 12. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, determine the number of blue balls in the bag. So we are given total number of red balls, that is 5. We don't know the blue balls, so let the total number of blue balls be x. So what is the total number of balls? That will be x plus 5. That is the total number of outcomes. Now when the probability drawn is for blue ball, then it will be x upon x plus 5. Let it be equation number 1. And when we have to draw red ball, in that case it will become 5 upon x plus 5 because there are 5 red balls. So 5 upon x plus 5, that becomes our equation number 2. According to the question, they are saying that probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball. So what is our equation form? Blue ball we know it is x upon x plus 5 and red ball we know 5 upon x plus 5. So 2 will be multiplied with the red ball. With the help of this we can find out that x is equal to 10. So total number of blue balls are 10. A box contains 12 balls, out of which x are black. If one ball is drawn at a random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? If 6 more black balls are put into the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Find out x. So total number of black balls are x and total number of balls given to us are 12. Now when we have to draw black ball, so our probability will be x upon 12, that is equation number 1. Now they are changing the situation by saying that 6 more balls are added. So that means total number of balls will become 12 plus 6, that is 18, and number of black balls will become x plus 6. So the new probability will become x plus 6 upon 18. Let it be equation number 2. Now we are told in the question probability of drawing a black ball now is double of what it was before. So we can say that equation number 2 will be equal to twice of equation number 1. So x plus 6 upon 18 is equal to 2 into x upon 12. So we can find out x on solving this. X comes out to be 3. Next. A jar contains 24 marbles, some are green and others are blue. If a marble is drawn at a random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 by 3. Find the number of blue balls. So total marbles given to us is 24. We are given green marbles, let it be x. Total blue marbles will be 24 minus x. Now if we want to draw a green marble, in that case it will become x upon 24. And they have said that according to the question, say it will be x upon 24, which is equal to 2 upon 3. It's already given in the question. So x comes out to be 16. So according to this, total green balls are 16. So blue balls will be 24 minus 16, which comes out to be 8. That's all for this exercise, children. It was very simple and easy exercise. I hope you must have understood. If you are still finding some difficulty in any of the questions, you can mention in the comment section or you can also email me. Thank you so much, children, for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you, children. Goodbye. Take care.